Hey everyone, Joe Wicks is here. Ready to work your abs? Today we're doing a standing abs workout, only 8 minutes. Perfect for beginners, no jumping. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome workouts. Before we start, let's warm up our muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Breathe in. Now lift your right knee, turning your upper body towards it. Breathe out. Repeat on the other side. Keep your abs tight. Time to engage those abs. First, standing cross crunches. Stand with your hands behind your head. Tighten your abs. Now bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Crunch. Repeat on the other side. Keep breathing. Section 4. Ab activation. Block 2. More abs, more power. Let's keep those abs burning. Next, lateral knee lifts. Standing, abs tight. Feel the power. Lift your right knee towards the side of your body. Control the movement. Repeat on the other side. You can do it. Section 5. Ab definition. Block 1. Sculpting that tummy. Let's start with a series of exercises that will help define and tone your abs. These movements are designed to work all the muscles in the abdominal area, providing a complete and effective workout. Now let's sculpt that tummy. We'll start with standing crunches, a great way to activate your core without having to lie down on the floor. Remember to keep your back straight and your abs tight throughout the exercise. Time for standing scissor crunches. This exercise is great for working your obliques and lower abs. Keep the movement controlled and avoid swinging your body. Stand with your hands behind your head. Imagine your abs contracting. This is a simple movement but very effective. Focus on feeling each muscle contraction. Extend one leg forward with your toes pointed. This movement helps to lengthen and strengthen your abdominal muscles, as well as improve the flexibility of your legs. The other leg goes slightly bent backward. Maintain your balance and correct posture. This exercise also works the muscles of the legs and glutes. Now switch legs like scissors. Keep your abs tight. This dynamic movement is great for increasing core strength and endurance. Continue alternating legs and feel the burn in your abdominal muscles. Remember to breathe deeply and focus on the technique. Section 6. Ab definition. Block 2. Feel the burn. Keep going. We're halfway there, and you're doing a great job. Stay focused and determined. Let's step it up a bit now. Now, controlled torso rotations. Keep your core tight and your movements smooth. Feel each muscle working as you twist. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your obliques and improving flexibility. Stand with your arms extended to the sides. Feel the energy flowing through your arms and torso. This movement not only works your muscles but also improves posture and balance. Keep your breathing steady and deep. Rotate your upper body to the right. Feel the contraction of your abdominal and oblique muscles. Keep your hips stable and focus on rotating your torso. This is a powerful movement for sculpting your waistline. And then to the left, controlled movements. Activate your obliques. Each rotation should be done with precision and control. Don't rush, feel each movement. This exercise is essential for defined abs. You're doing great, keep it up. With each repetition, you're closer to your goals. Remember, consistency is key. Stay motivated and enjoy the process. We're in this together. Section 7. Stretching and relaxation. Relax and recharge. Great job, everyone. You worked hard and now it's time to take care of your body and mind. Stretching after exercise is essential to prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Time to relax and stretch. Let's start with some basic stretches. First, stretch your arms above your head and feel the stretch on the sides of your body. Stretch your arms overhead and lean gently to one side. Hold it. Now, switch sides. Keep your breathing steady and deep while you stretch. Feel the stretch on your sides. It's important to hold each stretch for at least 20 seconds to get the best results. This helps release the tension built up in your muscles. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome workouts. Share your experiences and inspire others to join us on this wellness journey. See you next time.